Hey guys, welcome back to your channel Global Skills, and still we are doing a new upgrade for our 2023 Jeep Wrangler, and today we are going to the interior. As you saw on the previous video, we had installed the side step and it came out super amazing. You guys can watch the video right here if you want to see it. Go back, it's very simple. You guys can do it in your garage. It takes less than 15-20 minutes to install it, and you get this huge upgrade to your Jeep. Now we are going to do the installation of the brand new floor mat, the 3W. It's coming to us to review it, and then I'm gonna compare it to the stock one that comes from the manufacturer, and I'm gonna let you decide which one is better for you to choose. So let's start. You know, guys, when I was talking to this company, I'm gonna be very straightforward to you guys. They asked me to do a review to this floor mats, and they were insistent for me once I cut out from the box to make sure if it has odor or not. And let me just show you guys. It's odorless. It doesn't smell like no chemicals or anything at all. I'm gonna install it and see the fitments. So I'm ready to compare the two of them, just in case, for example, if you're going off-roading, it gets a lot of water. So this one, it's deeper than this one right here as well. It has a full step for the gas, has the tire tread, so this one doesn't. So this one is more slippery. This is not. This one has more layers, so you can grab on the floor. And now let's install it and see how it looks inside. I'm going to vacuum the car and then install the new one. My Jeep looks different right now. Huge upgrade. I just finished installing the front seats, the middle seats, and the trunk right here. And I was like, I found two extra parts right here. Know what to do with them. Found that those ones is for rear seats right here. The cover on the back. Look, my seats. I have my dogs. Many times I go off-roading and they took my dog with me. And look what she does. That's why 3W did not forget about that. So those ones goes on the back. Check it out. Boom. Alright guys, that will be the wrap for today. I just finished installing all the floor mats. The Jeep looks absolutely different than before. Floor mats fits perfect. So now we can go have fun off-roading without worrying about the Jeep to get dirty. And by the way, if you guys want to have this floor mats, I'm gonna put the link on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. And I will see you soon with another video.